Hi everybody, it's Diana with stampingwithdi.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. I'm so glad that you have been spending some time with me this week. I really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I'm from Santan Valley, Arizona. So I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and then that way you don't miss anything. So today I am going to be showing you some of the new online exclusives that are going to be available November the 7th, I believe. But because I'm a demonstrator, I can order a month in advance. So it is super awesome to be able to play with upcoming things so that I can maybe plan a class or just ideas. So if you have been thinking about becoming a demonstrator, this is a great time to do so because then you would be able to get these items and you wouldn't have to wait till November. So I thought I would just come in for my Di Shorts today and just share them because I just got them. I just got them in the mail and they are too cute not to share. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to stop blabbing. I'm going to turn the camera so that I can show you these fun new things. So close your eyes just for a minute while I get adjusted here. All right, so this is what I was talking about. So right now you can join my team. So you can either get 35% off the starter kit. So I talked about this the other day, $64.35 and you get $125 worth of products. Or you can get 35% more. So then you can pick $168.75 for $99. Shipping is always free with your starter kit because Stampin' Up! Pays that, and then you just pay your tax. Now some states don't have tax, so it just depends on where you live. So I'd love to chat with you about it. But these are what I got in the mail, and I want to totally show you them. So I haven't even opened them, right? So this is kind of like an unboxing, but I've already taken them out of the box. So this is the Pecan Pie center stripe ribbon, and it's just a really cute ribbon. It is just really, really nice. It feels cottony. Is it cotton? No, polyester. And let's see how it ties. I have a feeling it's going to tie beautifully. It has a little bit of texture to it. Ooh, it ties so nice. Oh my gosh. I love when a ribbon ties nice. So look how cute that is. Because it's got that bit of texture to it. It kind of holds itself as you tie it. So there's that. And it comes in a bundle. So here's just a little flyer. But so I just ended up getting the Sweet collection. And then I got the other bundle. So then I got, I saved money by doing that. And so that's what I usually do. So keep that in mind that you'd be able to get these things right now. All right. So let's see what these are. These are adhesive-backed dragonflies and birds. So look how cute these are. Aren't those pretty? So you've got some flying birds, some dragonflies, and they're nice and thin. So look how thin they are. So they won't add a lot of bulk to your card, and they have adhesive on them. So I love that about them because we've had some embellishments in the past that I totally loved, but they were bulky, so you had to put them in, bubble envelope, or you had to do extra postage. So I like that those are really pretty and thin. All right, part of this suite also does the DSP, and I'll do the DSP at the end. All right, so these are the Garden Meadow dies, and they go with this really cute, look, you've got some quail. I could not resist. I could not resist. And it's so funny because when I was doing my $1 million set, I had sent them, they were like, well, what kind of things do you have ideas for? And I had said, oh, I would love a rocking chair. Like I had said that. And I had like a note on my I had been writing down a note, so I had like a rocking chair and a porch, and oh, they came out with that, so I stroked that off my list. I had said animals and glasses and things, and then we've got the birds with glasses, so I stroked that off my list. So when I was talking to them, they were like saying, what kind of things do you like? And I'm like, oh, I like country things, and I said I would love to have a wheelbarrow with flowers in it, and they're like, oh, we might have one of those coming. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. So I took that off my list, and look, here it is. So I think it was already too far advanced, for them to change it. All right, so here is this right here. So it's got some really fun, looks like grass and hills. Cuts out the boot, the watering can, the little fence. Look how cute that fence is. So you've got the little fence. This is like an awning kind of thing. Like you can have like a hole and put something to. But oh, I cannot wait to play with this one in color. But look how cute those quail are. Now I haven't seen our quail lately. I have found 5 sulcata tortoises. I have been putting that on Facebook. There's got to be a nest somewhere. All right, so look how cute. So garden minnow, and this is photopolymer. So I love that. So let's see if this is the same size as that. So this is a little bit bigger than, yeah, so see, images at 90%. So see, they're not tons, but just enough. So that, I love when they do that, just so that you know. Because see, it's a little bit bigger. So super fun. That way they can get them all pictured on there. All right. And these ones, oh my gosh, when I saw these, I was just like, I need those animals. And look at these, fluffiest friends. Now this is a cling. And they've got some cute little daisies, a little nest. Or it's probably the beaver dam, right? Or it could be the beaver dam, or it could be the nest for the bird. A little cat and a cute little gerbil. Some bees. But look at the beaver. I love how he made a heart out of the sticks. Isn't that so cute? But look how fun they are. Fluffiest friends. And they look like they're well stocked in their tummies for the winter time. All right, and then they have dyes. So let's see what dyes come with that. Because sometimes there's more dyes than stamp sets, right? There's like a kind of almost like accessory dyes. So let's see what we have. Oh yeah, because look at, so we have a balloon, so you can cut out the balloon, but we've got some grass, some leaves, quite a few leaves. I like that when they do that, because if there's extra space, it's awesome that they give you extra ones. So if you need a bunch of leaves, you can put them all on the machine one time and get a whole bunch. Got your little bear. There's actually a couple balloons. Are they the same size? Nope, one's a little bit bigger. So that's cool. And this right here I was calling grass, I can't even talk, grass, but I think you could, but I think it is honey drip. I think it's honey drip. I mean, that's what I'm going to use it for. When I get this out, I'm going to play and I'm going to see if that works for honey drip. Because look at, you've got the cute little beehive. Super cute. Super cute. So we did go fishing the other day. Winston did pretty good. And I had him attached. He had his life jacket on. I'm putting this in the wrong one. That's right. He had his life jacket on, but I had him attached to me like the whole time. So it was a little hard to fish. So I don't know if we would take him every time. He just likes to be with us wherever we go. So then Eric had a doctor's appointment today. So just the 3 of us left, and the dog was left at home. And we have a little bing bong thing by the gate. So if anyone comes in or goes out the laneway, it makes a noise in the house. So then we kind of know, oh, someone's here or whatever. So I think he was fine when all three of us went out the door. Like he didn't cry or anything. But when he hears the bing bong, so then I turned on the living room camera, and I couldn't see him because he was probably by the front door. He was just crying, and I'm like, oh my gosh, he's probably thinking, oh, what about me? What about me? So anyways, all right, so Meandering Meadows, this is a 6x6, and oh my gosh, I thought the one-horse open sleigh DSP was amazing. Look at this one. Oh, I just want to frame these, and I might totally buy some 6x6 frames and just frame these up and hang them up, because this is gorgeous. Look at this. I mean, it's just amazing. All right, so there's the front, and in the back, some awesome like wood kind of texture. So let's see, you get 1, 2, 3, so you get 4 of each. Look at this one. So what is it called? Is it called Meandering? Wait. It's called, yeah, Meandering Meadows, and that's what it totally is. It's just meandering along. But look how gorgeous. Oh, and I'm thinking that the little truck would look cute here. That bear I used before would be adorable there. Hey Chuck, the chickens would look cute in here. Look at even these guys, because they're kind of comical, and then you have them, in there. What about our garden meadow? You could put the wheelbarrow there. So this is just pretty paper, but I'm just saying, even if you didn't want to do anything with it, it's gorgeous. All right, so there's the one on the back of that one. Oh, it's this really pretty green. Almost looks emeraldy. So that's on the back of that. Makes me think of Wicked. Was it Wicked? Yeah. So here's this one. I love this with all that sky. So there's 4 of that one. So there's that one. And the back side of that one is some more pretty green. And look at this one. Oh, it's just kind of, I don't even know, like, what art would that be? What would you call this? I should know. I took art for, I don't know how many years in school. And then we've got some of that. Now, I probably wouldn't use that side. This one is so pretty. I just love the trees. Pretty. Oh, here's some more. I wonder who painted this. I wish I had a name, because this is beautiful. It makes me want to get out my paints and do some painting. Oh my gosh, some daisies. Beautiful. So that's why we have these not butterflies. Where are they? Get over here. So look how pretty these will be. Put some of these in there, and the little birds in the sky. Cool, right? So look at that one, a whole meadow of them. I love these trees. They almost look like willow trees. And then there's the back, there's a blue. I like that. I'm not a big fan of that one either, so that's good that I love the other side. All right. And oh, look at these. This reminds me of those blue flowers when you go through Texas. So look how fun they are. There's that little meadow. This looks like a pond or a lake back there. Beautiful. And then this is the background. So it's funny. So this is like, I love this, but then this, it kind of is like this, right? Like maybe they started the whole thing like this, and then they drew this stuff on top of it afterwards. Like if you ever watch any of those artist shows, we love watching those portrait ones, the landscape ones, and it's amazing to watch the different processes that people do. Some people fill the whole thing like with one color, and then they start bringing in the other colors. Some people they just do it the opposite way, but it's so cool. But this right here kind of reminds me of this. So here's some more, and it looks like a fence, or it could almost be a bench. I think it's a fence back here. Love that. So this is cool. This looks like they almost used like maybe a sponge to do those flowers. Ooh, look at the back. So this is really cool on the back. And this looks almost like the same place, right? Kind of looks like the same forest or whatever. So that one's really pretty with the flowers too. Oh, and look at that. That is amazing. So that is like, to me, sky. Some sort of sky. And then here it is. The clouds are a little bit different color. They had fun making this paper. They had to have. Oh, and there's some more pretty sky. We need more sky, because I kept using, and I probably still have some of the one that we had last year with the sky. But look how fun this is. But isn't that just amazing paper? Oh, and that looks pretty back there. Blue bonnets or something. Isn't that what those are called? But yeah, I'm sure this is called something in the art word. I think they say made my plane or something, and I think that just means painting outside. But I wish I could think what that was. Oh well, one of you, I'm sure, has already told me what it was, because I know it's not contemporary. Abstract. That might be what I'm thinking. Would that be considered abstract? I don't know. It's beautiful, whatever it is. Just beautiful. And I will be framing some of it, and I'll probably put some in my guest room. All right. So again, if you are interested in any of these, I can give you item codes so that you can add these to your kit. Don't forget, here, let me turn. See you later, so I'm not just doing my talking hands. I can only do talking hands so long, and then it's like, oh, would you just, talk to us in person. But so just make sure, if you have any questions, if you need item codes, because they won't be in the online store yet, only on like my side. There's also some glimmer paper. I didn't get the glimmer paper, but that's also available. So yeah, so make sure you have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist. We have a new kit I'll probably be sharing with you on Tuesday, and I might be doing that as a class in the mail that will also have a Zoom, so we can make it together, because it is a super cute kit, and I think it will just be fun to do together. Maybe I can play some Christmas music in the back, and we can all make our own hot cocoa. Maybe I could put a hot cocoa in with the kit. This is just me thinking like right off the top of my head. I could put maybe a hot cocoa in with the kit. I think I might just do that. I need to make myself a note, because I'll forget. But anyways, so watch for that, and I think that's it. So thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out, and have a great weekend. I will see you Monday, 3 o'clock, Arizona time, same channel. Have a great one. Bye for now.